अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वो गपशप में जॉइन करने का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया। आज मेरे साथ हैं नतालिया शाहिद, बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल मॉडल हैं और नतालिया को थोड़ी-सी उर्दू कम समझ में आती है, मुझे थोड़ी-सी अंग्रेज़ी कम समझ में आती है। देखते हैं आज आप इस प्रोग्राम से कितना कुछ समझ पाते हैं। नतालिया, सीधा सवाल पे आऊँगा, बहुत लोडेड सवाल कि मॉडल्स और एक्ट्रेसेस का तो सीवी होता है इंस्टाग्राम। तो आप लोग जब इंस्टाग्राम पे अपनी तस्वीरें और वीडियोस लगाते हैं तो उसके नीचे किस किस्म के रिस्पॉन्स आते हैं लोगों के, और उसकी वजह से आप डीमोरलाइज तो नहीं हो जाते?
Uh, काफ़ी ज़्यादा honestly, लेकिन I find that the block button can be really useful. I have maybe since I've started modeling, I've had about 1,200, 1,300 people blocked off my page because the comments that we get, and it's so disgusting because we get the most disgusting things said to us that people will use, say that we are going against like religion, and I just don't understand how they can be talking about religion to us and be saying such horrible and nasty things in the comments, in our DMs. Sometimes, it can be scary because we worry about our safety. That's also like a really big concern with being in the industry, but for the most part, it's manageable.
हाँ, क्योंकि आप ये भी तो सोचें ना कि जो अर्तुगरुल की कास्ट थी, टर्किश जो एक्टर्स हैं, उनको भी डीएम्स में, उनके भी कमेंट्स में काफ़ी उनको बुरा भला कहा गया, लेकिन वो अभी भी पॉपुलर भी हैं यहाँ पर, उनको एड्स भी मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पर। तो इसका मतलब है कि अगर आपको बुरे रिस्पॉन्स आ रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि आप पॉपुलर भी हो रहे हैं।
Exactly. And the irony is that so many of the people who are like religiously just like following me and commenting on my photos and sending me DMs, they also follow me. It's just like if I'm so offensive and what I'm doing is so offensive to you, then don't look, don't watch, don't follow me. कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है ना देखो फिर।
अच्छा, आपने कभी इस तरह की कोई बात सोची कि इसको लेकर कोई कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाए, या स्टेट खुद से इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेकर कुछ करे या कर सकती है? कुछ इस तरह का आइडिया है आपके ज़हन में?
Actually, this is something that comes up a lot with people. I've gotten this question a lot. Basically, I feel like when you start an account, when you start an Instagram page or a Facebook page, I feel like the best thing that we could do, even if you want to have multiple accounts, say you want one for your small business or work or whatever it is, even if you want to have multiple accounts, I feel like those accounts should be linked to your ID card. They should be linked to your identity. If somebody wants to know who's sending you threatening messages, if somebody came to me on the street and said, "Hey, I'm going to do this to you," the police would take it much more seriously than if somebody or hundreds of people online were coming and saying this to me. People are able to hide behind this mask of anonymity on the internet, which is what makes the whole thing so scary, because it doesn't take 100 crazy people to come after you. It takes one. And we've seen this in the case of so many women, especially in this past year in Pakistan, in our own cities. It takes one crazy person. Just one. So I feel like that problem could be really easily solved if we were able to track and identify who was behind these accounts. And if somebody wanted to make a second account, it would be linked with
The primary account.
Exactly, so that they could be held accountable for what the things they're saying.
बिल्कुल ठीक है, ये आइडिया आपने अच्छा दिया है। और अभी ये भी देखना पड़ेगा कि बाहर दूसरे ममालिक में, महज़ब ममालिक में भी क्या हमें लग रहा है कि इस तरह की कोई लेजिस्लेशन होगी, क्योंकि पहले वहाँ होगी फिर शायद यहाँ होगी, या अगर पहले वहाँ नहीं भी होगी तो यहाँ पर जो होगी वो शायद कामयाब ना हो पाए। दूसरी चीज़ इसके बाद एक बहुत हम सुनने में आती है, और वो ये है कि एक्टर्स, मॉडल्स और इस तरह के शोबों से जो जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, उनको जो रिन्यूमरेशन है उनके काम की, वो टाइम पे नहीं मिलती।
Oh, payments?
या
Getting payments on time, it is a headache because most of the time with modeling, there are no contracts that are drawn up, there's no official agreement. It's usually whatever we've written down in our messages, whatever that agreement is, that's usually like your proof. You can take that to whoever higher up and be like, look, this is how much we agreed on. So it can be a little bit frustrating at times when, For example, if you do a few extra outfits on set, we get paid per outfit. Or if you do like video, but you initially didn't discuss whether video was included or not, and then later on they try to play it off as if that didn't happen. So if I'm on set for say 6 or 7 hours, and I was not told that there was going to be video, the video can take up to like 3, 4, 5 hours, sometimes extra. And then what happens a lot of times is they don't want to pay you for that extra work you did. No, we didn't talk about video and you did it, so now we already got what we needed, and well, that's just what it is. We're not going to pay you for that. That can happen a lot. Getting our payments on time not getting our payments on time happens, unfortunately, a lot. It's never happened that I haven't been paid at all, maybe once or twice, but I feel like there could definitely be some kind of action taken against that.
नहीं तो कभी आप लोगों ने ये नहीं सोचा कि सब मॉडल्स मिलकर कुछ थोड़ा सा शायद इनिशिएटिव अगर ले लें, बहुत ज़्यादा सबके पैसे भी नहीं लगेंगे, और एक दफ़ा कुछ वकला को साथ बिठा के कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बना लें जो कि मतलब हर किस्म की चीज़ को इनकम्पस कर लें, कि अच्छा अगर पिक्चर्स का था कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, साथ में वीडियो एडिशनल आ गया, तो आपके पास उसी वक्त मोबाइल पे एक पीडीएफ फाइल हो, वहीं पे प्रिंट आउट हो जाए, वहीं पे साइन हो जाए, तो ज़िंदगी आसान हो जाएगी.
बोलते रहते हैं लोग. It's definitely something that's talked about, but is it going to actually happen? Because what happens is these brands, they don't want to do that. And when you're working with a company that's giant, of course I can't name any names right now, but go look outside at any billboard. These companies have been around, they've been in the industry for so long, they're giant companies. They don't take you, they're just going to take somebody else. If you give them a difficult time, it's like, okay, fine, there's 10 other girls that would do it for half the price. Do you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. That's a thing that ends up happening a lot too. So these girls, and I say girls because I work with, and I've noticed that it is generally like a lot of young girls in the industry. They don't know. Like there's no manual, there's no school, there's nobody there to teach you these things. You kind of learn as you go along. You learn when to put your foot down. But the biggest thing is they don't know when to say no. They don't know when they have rights. They don't know that they can tell these, giants that they don't want to do something for fear of just not working anymore. Then they're going to be called difficult. So if everybody came together, I think it would be a great thing, because then where are you going to find a model that's willing to do it if everybody's collectively agreed that this is what we want to do now, and it's not just like a few people or a small group.
अच्छा, अगला सवाल ये है कि मुझे कई एक्टर्स ने ये भी गिला किया कि क्योंकि हमारी पेमेंट्स टाइम पे नहीं होती, मिल जाती हैं लेकिन 6 महीने लेट मिल रही है, 4 महीने लेट मिल रही है, जिसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान जैसे मुल्क में 4-6 महीने में करेंसी डीवैल्यू हो गई होती है. तो क्या ऐसा भी आप लोगों ने कभी सोचा है कि आप तमाम एजेंसीज और ब्रांड से कहें और प्रोड्यूसर्स से कहें कि जो भी हमारे पैसे हैं, हम बढ़ाने की बात नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन जब आप हमसे कमिटमेंट करें तो वो US डॉलर्स में कर लें, ताकि आप 6 महीने बाद भी दे रहे हैं, 8 महीने भी बाद भी दे रहे हैं, तो वो डीवैल्यू ना हो, वो हमें उतने ही पैसे मिल जाए. इस तरह की कभी कोई चीज़ सोची आपने?
ये तो मैंने नहीं सोची, लेकिन काफ़ी अच्छी बात की है आपने. I'm getting a lot of ideas now. I think it's impossible to get anybody to agree to this realistically. In an ideal world, yes, I'd love to get paid in euros or in US dollars, seeing as how I'm spending most of my money in US dollars. But no, I've never thought about that before. Great idea though. Maybe in cryptocurrency.
नहीं, अब फिर वही बात है कि उनको एक्चुअली आपको US डॉलर्स में पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट अगर $300 की बात हुई है तो उस वक्त $300 का जो एक्सचेंज रेट है उस पर दे दें.
अच्छा, नहीं वैसे कभी सोचा नहीं है, लेकिन हो सकता है शायद.
अच्छा, सो मेरा आखिरी सवाल ये है कि मॉडलिंग में तो आपको कुछ अरसा हो गया है, एक्टिंग आपने अभी अभी शुरू की है, तो हाउ स्केर्ड आर यू? आपको लगता है कि वो इससे ज़्यादा कट थ्रोट इंडस्ट्री होगी या ऐसी ही होगी, या शायद आप आगे ज़िंदगी आसान हो जाएगी?
Cutthroat का मसला नहीं है. Within the industry itself, it's more the repercussions of what will happen if I do star in something and I am big, because I am operating relatively on a much smaller scale. I don't have the most followers. I'm not getting stopped on the street. I'm not being recognized everywhere. If I were to get any more famous than this, would be terrifying, because being a woman in this country and being a woman in the public eye in this country, and I'm not even posting anything that bad, I'm posting in wedding clothes, I'm posting in lawn, shalwar kameez, and I'm getting this level of hate. If I were to do anything even slightly controversial within the film industry, in the TV industry, the level of recognition on that scale is absolutely terrifying. My grandmother was an actress. Back in the day, we had much less internet access, social media. Obviously, it would have been less of an issue. It came with its own issues. I grew up watching that. My uncle is an actor. I grew up, and he's a man in this industry, and I grew up seeing what comes with fame. Everybody wants to be famous, but you don't realize all of the negative aspects of it too, the lack of privacy, just everything. It can be really awful as well. And, you know, being a woman and experiencing that in a place like Pakistan, I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. 2 सजेशंस दिए नतालिया ने, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग. ये मैं हमारे जो काबिल वकला हैं उनके लिए छोड़कर जा रहा हूँ. प्लीज़ हमें गाइड करें. एक तो ये कि सबके सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स अगर उनके आईडी कार्ड से कनेक्ट कर दिए जाएं तो इससे क्या बेहतरी आ सकती है. दूसरा, ऐसा करना मुमकिन है या नहीं है, अगर नहीं है तो क्यों. और दूसरा सजेशन जो दिया वो ये था कि अगर कोई वकला आगे बढ़कर हेल्प करना चाहें एक्टर्स की, मॉडल्स की, कुछ उनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बना के दे दिए जाएं जो कि वो फिर बाद में यूज़ कर सकें, तो मेरे ख़्याल में ये काफ़ी मतलब इस इंडस्ट्री में सबकी काफ़ी हेल्प हो जाएगी और आप उसमें अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन अदा कर देंगे. सबके देखने का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया. अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं. खुदा हाफिज़.